faster than you. So when was the last time I hesitated? Yeah, when Adi sir called me and said there is this new concept that is going to happen called soliloquy. And I hesitated. I hesitated for a day, thought about it, and then finally said, yeah, let me give it a shot. But what was I doing during that whole day? Thinking slowly or thinking a lot of thoughts, evaluating options. Or what if I go there and blabber and, make a fool of myself? So all of these thoughts. But then I was wondering, why am I hesitating? Am I hesitating because I'm not confident of what I'm going to be doing over there? Or am I hesitating because I'm afraid I don't have the skills, same as confident? Am I hesitating because people are going to laugh at me? What? I'm hesitating because I'm afraid of the consequences. And I think that is what hesitation is all about. You hesitate because you don't know what is going to happen. And a lot of times if you know exactly what you want and exactly how to get it, hesitation does not happen. But yeah, there have been so many times when I know exactly what I want and how to get it, but have hesitated and have been hesitating. So what again? What is it? What is it about? I think it's about finding a balance between your emotional side and maybe your logical side. Also, if you know exactly what to get and how to get, again, maybe there is too much of conditioning about what is right, what is wrong, fear, insecurities, and that is why hesitation happens. So I don't think it is about really speed of thought or speed of thinking. It is probably a lot of other inhibitions that hesitation brings. And I think a lot of us have also been brought up, like some of my friends were speaking earlier, by giving too much advice and being told what is right and what is wrong, which leads to so much confusion in their heads. And so if you really know the art of making the right choice, and if you really know yourself well, and if you know what is good for you, and if you can find that balance, I think hesitation does not happen. So again, is hesitation, somebody who hesitates is probably a faster thinker than you? Yes, maybe, because he who hesitates is having to evaluate all of these sides, emotions, logic, good, bad, advice, and then has to take calls. So, and probably he who does not hesitate and jumps into making a choice or doing something is foolhardy, or probably just a big risk taker.